Hi everyone, I am Dia and welcome back to Kid Make It Challenge this week. This week we are going to go with our theme called Spike It. So today I am going to show you how to create secret compartments. Secret compartments are hiding places that a spy can use to hide important information or items that they don't want people to find. Now for our case, for my case, I would like to hide my important information here from my USB drive. I also got some coins and money that I want to hide. I want to keep them in a safe place. One way I'm going to do is finding a place or finding an item that will go undetected. And for me, that's my old journal, old book that people won't even think to open anymore. So I'm gonna take my journal and I have just a piece of paper and I surrounded it with tape. I don't have scotch tape, so I have this little washi tape. And I'm going to basically create a pocket inside of my book page. And just like that, that's a secret hiding place, isn't it? And another thing that I was thinking is maybe I can hide something around my desk. So in this case, I have my stationery drawer. So in here, as you notice, I don't have any handle here so that it is not easy for people to open. I actually have a system. I'm gonna use my paper clip to open this. Voila. And if you see, I have a pen there. But have you noticed that the pen actually doesn't move? It's because I use this pen as a disguise as a handle for my secret compartment. There you go. So now I can keep all my important stuff and then just hide it like that, and maybe add all stationeries I have. It's just as in disguise, see? Voila. So those are my secret compartments. Of course, the options out there are endless. You can pick any materials or any items around the house that you can use, and just be creative. And of course, we would love to see what you guys made, so please don't hesitate to share it and tag us at Kid Museum. Also, don't forget to put a hashtag kid or make it, and then we'll see you guys again. Bye.